TradingView has a built-in live chat where you can talk to other traders in real time, ask questions, share ideas, and watch the market conversation unfold. And here's how to use it. It's super simple. Hop on the chart, go to the right side toolbar, look for the speech bubble icon. Click it. Now, a chat box will pop up, other people's chats up top, and below it'll say talks. And the way this works is you have different categories for different types of assets. So right now we're looking at stocks and indexes. Say we want to talk about crypto, head up top to cryptocurrencies. Let's go back to stocks. Say that we like what a person is saying. Simply right click on their chat. You can now send a private message to them, show all messages from that person, or even quote or link the message. And if you want to type something yourself, simply just type in this text box and then click enter once you're done typing. Now, if you want to add the image of your chart here, all you have to do is click on the camera button right here. A snapshot of your chart automatically pops up. Now, this chat is most useful during high impact events like FOMC announcements, earning releases, and major economic data because the real-time reaction from other traders can give you a live pulse on market sentiment that no live indicator can replicate. Have a great day, guys.